Because the Central, we've got the ability to receive stock on a purchase order. Before I do, I found an item here that I have nothing of, so 0 inventory. It's a Munich swivel chair yellow, okay? And I've gone to a purchase order and I've put 100 on this, and we're ready to turn around and receive that into the business. Now, a basic method of receiving it, I'm going to change my location to main. And further in our tutorials, we'll do an advanced receipt using warehousing. So for now, this location doesn't require warehousing. This is just a simple location. Let's actually see what happens to receive. If we scroll over on the lines, we can see here that we have quantity to receive, quantity to invoice. This implicates the posting process. So when I go to post and it pops up saying receive or invoice or both, if you put something or allow by default this to be there, so if I remove to invoice and I said quantity to receive is 100, now when we post, I can receive. So let's hit OK. As we hit OK, the quantity will move from here to quantity received. There we go. So it's been received. And if you want evidence of what was received, you can click on here and you can see it was received at this date, and behind this in your field lookup, you'll see who received it. So now if I go back into my inventory, I'm just going to press F5. I can see now that I've got 100 in stock. This is the easiest way to turn around and see the implications on your inventory from a purchase order. Once it's in stock, I can sell it. Okay. Now, if you are running warehousing and you're receiving, it actually requires a warehouse receipt to be created. As I said, we'll go through that in another tutorial. Thank you.